Alrighty, welcome to this video. We're going to be putting these shades onto that window because it's like a microwave oven right here with the sun. You can even see the sun shining in right now. And yeah, it's pretty bad. But I got this from Amazon and you can check the link out in the bio. But we're gonna put it up. So let's do it. Don't hit. Let's put it like this. Alright, so I'm going to do the width of this to get it centered onto the window. And so mine that I bought, there's multiple sizes by the way. This one's 28. So I'm going to go 28 here. About 21 and a half. So 3 1/4 on each side for mine. Alright, made a tiny little dot. You can't see it because it's tiny. And we got these hardware here. We got screws and the whatever these are called, I forget. These guys. Don't need those because it's a door, so we're just gonna screw it into the door. And then we have these two things. These two hinges. So sorry for the light changes. It's getting lighter and darker in here all the time. So these two, and they're gonna go on top, and the thing's gonna snap into it. Let me see how this works. Oh yeah, that's really nice. You see that? It squishes in, clicks out. Kind of similar to the old-fashioned ones, but a little bit more handy. That's really nice. So we're just gonna put those up. Oh snap! That hangs out a little bit more than I was expecting. Okay, so we're gonna go 1.5 inches up on these guys. 1.5 inches from the bottom of my thing right here. And then I guess it doesn't really matter how I'm measuring it from the sides at first because you can adjust it once it gets up there. And so just make sure you don't put these on the end or you won't be able to adjust it. Put them a little bit more into the center. I'm gonna put mine like here, and over here. Up. Let's make sure these holes are evened out from one hole to the next. They're good. Well, I might need to actually drill through it. Let me get a stool and see if I can push it a little bit harder. I'm gonna try to get a drill. I don't have a drill. My drill is messed up, so I'm gonna try to use a different screw to screw in a little bit. I'm not getting through. Dang it. No reason being here. Oh, that might have worked. Oh, it's gonna work. Nice. Look at that. One done. Alright, I'm gonna just give you a close shot real quick. Go. 2 holes. Just like that.
Nice. Can we leave it like that, Daddy?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
I'll do it back.
Pull it. Just like that. Be gentle with it though.
I'm what?
What was that?
I said it kind of looks. Oh, it kind of looks cool if there's like a back glove too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh, it can't stay on there.
Well, you gotta kind of. It's not gonna glue it to. It's not gonna magnetize to the door because it's too weak. I think. Well, there you go. Looking pretty good. Alrighty. this is looking pretty good. It's easy to move up and down. And oh, I wanted to show y'all what it looks like outside because that's, I guess, kind of important. All right, there you go. Sorry, it's a little bit foggy because it's cold inside, hot outside. Okay, and I just wanted to say one more thing about this is that all the heat that it was coming through this door is just, it was like a microwave, like I said, and it was basically just heating this area up here. And so our living room like got hot because of it, and then also our windows are like not double pane, they're just one layer of glass, metal on the outside, and the heat just gets sucked in here. But you could like really feel it on this window, like a lot. You would just come over here and you can just feel it. And I could probably fill up the gap right there too. But this has been helpful. And if I didn't say before, this is also has like a reflective thermal thing inside of it. Check out the Amazon listing. I'll post a picture of it there. But yeah, it's nice. It's good for the money. It looks actually really nice and classy. Like, pretty chill. So that's gonna be it of this video. It was really easy to do and I'm happy with it. So buy it in the link, subscribe, and check out another one of my videos. All right, see you later. See you out there. Toodaloo.